I was in disbelief for a while. Guys were already on the ice, but it takes a moment or two to sink in. Even when we're on the ice, it's just hard to believe because you've been working for this for me for 6 years and on a journey with these guys and building our team and then there's a sense of satisfaction, and then it's just the pride starts to come into it. I'm just so proud of these guys and what they put into the season. I mean that was kind of my steps through that. It's hard to believe, and it'll become a little bit more real as we spend the next couple of days